Hi friends, let's discuss some more questions in context to the agribusiness management. Today's objective questions, you can say that is the important one in the context of the agriculture, but in later part you can understand that understanding the agriculture is also important one to know about the agribusiness management. Looking into this aspect, I prepared some of the questions, definitely use for you. Let's see what are the questions in today's discussion. The first question is, sago is a type of starch is commonly extracted from. The answer is tapioca. But there is a clear-cut difference between sago and tapioca. Tapioca is coming from cassava. The root of the cassava is mainly used as a tapioca, where the sago is coming from a palm tissues. But questions arises then, why the sago always be connected with the tapioca? Because both of them look just like the white color pearl. That's why many a times these two products have been connected with each other. Sago and tapioca mainly consumed in Australia, South America, particularly Brazil and India. But one important thing, tapioca always coming from the root of the cassava, whereas the stem of the palm tissues mainly come from their production process. Then we will find the sago. This is some of the important one to understand in this context. The second question is, hydraulic brake fluid is derived from which of the following product? Castor seed, paddy, rose grass and cardamom. How you choose this type of the questions? Many a times there are two types of the oil. I am not discussing about the petrol and diesel. I am discussing about the oil which is consumed by the consumer and the oil which is consumed by the industries. Normally castor seed, that is produce the oil, used mainly in the industries. It is a non-edible oil. It is replacing nowadays any type of the synthetic materials that is used in the brake fluid. The answer is the castor seed. Hydraulic brake fluid is derived from the castor seed. The third question is, what plant source is oleoresin from? All of you know that is coming from chili. But the importance of the oleoresins nowadays, it is mainly used in the cosmetic industries, it is mainly used in the perfumes, it is mainly used in the pharmaceutical organizations. I sincerely propose that any one of you, whoever observing this type of the questions, just now you should write some articles, this type of the ingredients, oleoresin, tapioca, sago. You should write something or one paragraph on that part by which you can understand the importance of the different types of fruits, vegetables and spices in the context of the future agribusiness. Let's see the next question. The next question is, what is the best source of lycopene? Lycopene is an antioxidant product. Antioxidant means you can say that it protects the cell life of a product. It is fruits or vegetables, but if you use it, the lifespan or the shelf life of the particular product will be increased. Then question is, lycopene is coming from the tomato. Lycopene always gives a red color to different type of the products. Nowadays this type of the products has more importance to give a fresh look in fruits and vegetables. The next question is, what food contains linamarin? Linamarin is coming from tapioca meal. That is, you have to remember that how linamarin, normally it is highlighted that linamarin is a cyanogenic element. Cyanogenic means when it will enter your body, it decreases the oxygen level in your body and produce the hydrogen cyanide. And when hydrogen cyanide will be produced, then definitely it will not good for your health. The cyanogenic activities of the linamarin will hamper your body part, but the question point of view, linamarin is coming from the tapioca meal. The next question is, what is the source of tartaric acid? The answer is the tamarind. But tartaric acid always coming from other products. You will find the tartaric acid from the banana leaves. You also find the tartaric acid from the grapes. But when any type of the questions will come, the tartaric acid mainly coming in the context of the tamarind. These type of the products are always be used in the jam, jelly, sauce preparations. You have to remember all those things. The next question is, what is the natural source of papain? Papain is that product that breaks the protein and produce the peptide. The papain is morely connected with the papaya. The good thing about the papain is when you use in meat, that creates the tenderness, its softness in the non-vegetarian product, particularly in the meat. You have to remember all those things because it breaks the protein that creates the peptides. The next question is, which of the following states having the greater share of acidic soil in India? Acidic soil, you can easily know that the pH level is in around 6.5. Normally soil characteristics, it is in the acidic in zone. But important one, the acidic soil is that it decrease the phosphorus content and increase the aluminum and the manganese content. If the soil is acidic, then you can understand the behavior or the characteristics of the soil, and accordingly you have to plan your product. But the question is, which state has more acidic soil in India? The answer is West Bengal. The next question is, which of the following states having the greater share of black soil in India? Black soil means higher carbon percentage, good porosities, water absorbing capacity is good, then your cultivation practices is the good one. Numbers of states in this list, but the major share are coming from the Maharashtra. For other state, you can be put in this bracket in black soil categories. It is Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh. These are the states where you find the greater percentage of the black soils. The next question is, which of the following states having the greater share of saline soil in India? The larger coastal base. Which state has the larger coastal base? State, that is the Gujarat. The answer of the saline soil you will find maximum in the Gujarat. In the saline soil, the sodium content is quite the higher one. It is not good for the cultivation process. But nowadays the shrimp farming is booming, in particular in the saline soil categories. Hopefully today's videos are important one. I am trying to give some connections in different type of the agriculture parameters, and that will help you to understand the agribusiness. You just picking the points, you could not solve the issues. Suppose anyone will say that the papain means papaya. That is not the process to learn the things. To learn the things, that you have to connect the dots. As you much higher the dots will be connected in your fundamental process, it gives a long lasting memories, or you can long run flavor in your academic domain. Hopefully today's video is useful for you. Be tuned with me. I will bring more and more video in coming presentations. Thank you all. Thank you for watching my video.